Fire when ready. Target's locked.
I said, baby, let's go. I ain't in love, that's for sure. You want some bread, got that dough. Are we gonna party some more? We up and down on that floor. Can you just shake it some more? I got some money to throw. The way you up and down on that pole, I ain't got no reason.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at the range, or whatever. We at the 0 range. You know, I'm trying. I'm like moving it. What are you about to shoot? My sergeant just walked by me.
After that, 3 rounds. Go ahead and rotate your selected switch from safe to semi. Start firing when ready.
Okay, so yeah, this is just a 0 in range or whatever. You adjust your sights here and get a good grouping. Your sights is what you use to see what you're shooting, obviously, what you use to determine, you know, your target and all that good jazz. And grouping is getting a number of shots in like the same area. So that's what we're doing right now. Then when you get all that done, you go to the big range. You feel me? So I'll be back.
Fire when ready. Target's locked.
Cannot see.
Oh, is that what you was doing the other day, bro? Yeah. Just making a vlog.
Y'all good. What the hell? What is that? What is that?
Say hi, sir.
Camera?
Yep.
D-Town.
D-Town.
It's H-Town around here, you heard?
Shut your ass up. So update y'all, we go home. Stop trying to play my little gadget over here, son.
So update y'all.
So update y'all what?
Hey, 305, you know what it is? Vertigan shit. I'm messing with you. Hey, so big update, you shot a 25 out of 90?
What?
Hell no, she shot a 12 out of 20. She ain't qualified.
First of all, my weapon was messed up the first time I went, so.
Sounds like you rather mess up with.
She capping. I promise you capping.
Hey, don't let her lie to y'all.
You said you want to be on the vlog, say something.
Oh, what's up?
Golly.
I just want to let y'all know, man. Mr. Willis out here. You should don't want to know who I am. So I'm a killer. Don't push me. Cause I OJ Simpson that.
Okay. I'm not gonna say that on the damn vlog in uniform.
Donald Trump's innocent. Just kidding.
Oh, this dude is a white supremacist.
Whoa.
This dude is white supremacy. This is white supremacy at its finest. Look at him.
Don't make me tell the
Look
viewers
at
about your KKK affiliation.
Hey, listen up, bro. You ain't gotta know. What you don't know don't hurt you, bro. Real talk.
Hey, come on. Just remember, I know
You know what everybody is. Oh, we gotta download shit.
I really don't know just where I'm gonna be.
Yes!
My whole life has changed. Oh my God. Put your ACH on.
Alright, so I just got back from the range and Madati like road. Yeah, Madati like road, bro, God. It's 9:30 and I literally just got back to my room. No, I'm not even fully undressed yet. But yeah, I'm not fully undressed. But today we zeroed our weapons, and my first shooting to qualify was horrible, and my weapon that I got was horrible. My sights were messed up. Both of the sights were messed up, so I had to adjust my sights and all that. And then I shot poorly. Like, I shot horribly. Okay. Then I used someone else's weapon for my second go, and I qualified. I did better. Like twice. Yeah, like twice. I did way better. Let's just say that. My words just kind of, you know what I'm saying. I'm super duper tired, and we have work in the morning. So I'm about to just, you feel me, call it a night. Yeah. Our range day didn't go as planned because we were supposed to be out there until tomorrow. But something happened that didn't make something else happen, so we had to come back, and they're gonna figure that out at a later date. None of my business, above my pay grade, but yeah. We back, and I'm about to go to sleep. Bye.
can I love you, baby? Now ain't that the question? How we gonna roll together without no direction? You say you love me, feeling my affection. But then you rather play it safe, girl, and be my best friend. If you my best friend, why you stop the texting? Just because you got a man don't mean you flexing. I done quote a couple chicks and learn my lesson. That's why I keep praying every day and counting blessings.